Enabling two-factor authentication on your Deliveroo account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Deliveroo app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to enable it, and you may be prompted to enter your phone number if you haven't already. Step 5. Verify your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the designated field to confirm your phone number and complete the setup process. Now your Deliveroo account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your phone accessible for future logins.